Hi, hello. Today we're gonna try to do a baseboard right on the bottom of our walls. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to select our wall. We need to go to edit type. Under edit type, we need to edit one of the parameters, that is the structure, and we need to edit the value, right? But we're gonna have to do a little few things. I'm gonna move this window a little bit, and we need to see the preview because we're looking at our wall in floor plan. So this one means that our modify vertical structure, right, is only visible or is only active in section view. So let's switch this floor plan view into a section view, and you're gonna see how these buttons come up to life, right? What we're gonna do, we're gonna, number one, on this screen, we're gonna zoom in, right? We can see the exterior layers, right? And our sheetrock layer here, right? So we're gonna add a sweep, right? So we're gonna add the baseboard here on the bottom. So we need to go to sweeps. This menu is gonna be added, right? And we need to add a profile, right? We need to add a profile, and we're gonna see a few profiles already preloaded, but none of those is the one that we want. So we need to load a profile, and here we're gonna go to profiles, right? There's a folder called profiles in Revit, and we're gonna find this one that is finished carpentry. Under finished carpentry, you're gonna see baseboard number 1, number 2, number 3, the build up one, and the flat, and well, this one is like a crown molding there, right? But we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options, right? So whichever you want to add to your project, right? I'm gonna use base number, I think flat, it will be nice, right? For a minimalistic design, this one will be great, right? So base flat, open, right? And on your recently created profile number 4, you're gonna look for base flat. Okay, base flat, and it's gonna be the material. You can add the material right away. We can put like I'm gonna try to put I'm gonna look here on this one for wood, if I have a wood. So I'm gonna add I can add like pine or birch, right? This one here. I can add like a color, right, or a white one, or something different, right? Like wood, birch. This one, a little bit more obscure. So I'm gonna go here to OK, and also we're gonna add, before we apply it, we need to tell that this one, right, is gonna be on the base, right? But right now needs to be on the side. This is the most important feature after selecting, adding, loading the profile, looking for the profile, adding it, changing the material. The most important thing is that it needs to be on the interior side. Okay, no offset, because we want this one attached to the wall. If you add an inch, it's going to be off an inch or so. So I'm going to apply it, right? And now I'm going to say OK, because I want to zoom in. You're going to see the baseboard is there, is flat there, this little blue thing there. Okay, I'm going to put here OK, and we can go and zoom in, and you're going to notice that it carries the material and everything. So I'm going to put here OK and OK, and now my walls in my project, they have the baseboard here, right? What we can do to see if this one is there, right, to verify that the color is there, we can go here to our visual styles, into textures, right? And you're gonna notice here the baseboard on your project. So now it's added, and it's gonna be respected on your cloud renderings, right? So that will be a nice addition to your sack of tricks in Revit. Okay, for those interior designers that have been asking for tips and tricks on Revit. Okay, thank you, and remember, Rincon Beam Consulting, give us a nice like, subscribe. Thank you so much for viewing our video.